na, so OA na. Si Romel kasi, ano na ng mga matatanda yun. Tsaka si Mike, kukunin ng mga matatanda yun.
Kalaban namin na number 1, 5-1 ng standing pare. Kami, 1-5. Number 4 kami. Number 1, 2 points lang. Sila Jong kalaban namin. Semi-finals.
Semi-finals.
Ang ganda ng laban namin yun, pare.
Nakalaro ka nun?
Oo.
Sa pag umuwi ka pala ng Laguna, kumbaga wala ka rin tropa na babalikan. Kagaya sa amin.
Kanginang kalaban.
Talaga yung mga kababata mo lang na parang grade 4. Para pag nagkita kayo, anong pag-uusapan yun, hindi mo na maintindihan.
Hello, Kat! Si Stitch ba yan?
Si Milo.
Milo! Hi, Kat! Where's the cat? Wow! Hi to the camera, hi! Hi, Kat!
Hi, Tita Andeng.
Hi, Kat!
No more cat.
No more, Tita Andeng! Sabi mo, Tita Andeng! Ayan si Pau Pau, oh! Si Pau Pau! Bakit ko ba nagagaling ka?
Huwag mo ako sinasabihan ng pangit dahil sa'yo ko nang galing.
Dahil kamukha mo. Kasi bakit mo yung pangit mo?
Hi vlog! Welcome to my guys!
Three, two, one, go! Okay, pinakabalik ka sa isang student. Sige, kaya pa.
Aking performer, oh. What up mga kabarangay? It's your Otits and we're back for an update na wala namang nangihingi. Pabalik na ako ng Paranaque from Tagaytay. It's almost 5 o'clock in the afternoon, February 2. May flight po si Otits mamayang 1 o'clock in the morning, February 3, pabalik ng Malaysia. According to Google, almost 2 hours ang biyahe pabalik ng Manila. I really need to be at the airport by at least 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock in the evening, the latest, dahil mayroon tayong maliit na issue. I was trying to check in earlier but unfortunately there were issues, so i-flash ko na lang just sa screen ko ano yung error message na lumabas. Hindi daw ako makapag-online check-in and I have to be assisted by an attendant or a ground attendant doon sa counter mismo. Kailangan ko talagang pumunta doon ng maaga-aga. Ulitin ko lang, the reason why I had to go back sa Tagaytay after my niece's wedding is to watch my son perform sa kanilang Foundation Day, 29th Foundation Day ng Mater Dei Academy sa Tagaytay. That performance was actually a competition between the students of junior high. I had a chance to watch my son perform and frankly speaking, this was the first time since 2019 na napanood ko siya nag-perform live on stage. Yung last time was when he was a little boy and sa UP, yun, yung kumanta siya ng, hindi ko maalala, parang Disney song yun, may mga kasama siyang bata rin. I was able to watch the performance and it was really great. He did well. Nag-enjoy naman siya sa mga pinagagawa niya sa stage. That's what's important. So since competition siya, there's got to be a winner. Unfortunately, I can't be there for the announcement of winner dahil nga I'm really short of time. So anak, if you're watching this, I'm really sorry. But I'm really happy to have seen you perform today. Sanabi ko naman sa kanya, it doesn't really matter sa akin kung matalo or manalo sila. Well, good pag nanalo. As long as nag-enjoy siya, yun ang mahalaga. Enjoy nila, which is very evident naman sa mga mukha nila. Okay, so if you're watching this, anak, I love you. You did well. Keep it up. I'll see you pag makabakasyon ulit si daddy or pag nagbakasyon ka sa Malaysia. Sobrang salamat sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa page niyo. It's Unraptured TV. Mga kwentong walang kwenta ng Otits. Huwag kayong magsasawa. Kung magsawa man kayo, bahala kayo dyan. Gaya nga ng sabi ko palagi, hindi naman masakit. joke lang. Siyempre may mga kanya-kanya naman kayong panlasa. Kung hindi nyo trip, don't. Don't. Yung next na video ko siguro, nasa Malaysia na ako. At i-upload ko na yung 2023 na bakasyon ko. Alam nyo naman yung aking timeline sa pag-upload. Yung 2022 na bakasyon, in-upload ko ng January 2024. Yung 2023 ko na bakasyon, i-upload ko ng maybe 2026 siguro. Itong 2024 kong bakasyon, mga 2029 ko na to i-upload. Sana makapag-antay pa kayo. But anyway, sige na, bounce na ako. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.